Alright, welcome back to yet another unboxing video of my new watch. I have ordered the third watch in a week, and it's a miracle that I'm still alive. I'm not too sure if I'll be alive next week, okay? So never mind, let's just go ahead with the unboxing. This one is the Glycine Combat Sub Vintage, and it is one of their latest models, so I'm very excited to see what's in the parcel. So it came to me via UPS. Let's just go on with cutting open the top of the box. And now we get to the actual retail box. So this is the outer box of the Glycine. It's got the newest or the latest logo. Well, most fans will call this the Castle logo. It appeared before, I think, before the Invicta ownership, and then got transformed to a wing logo, and these days it's back to the Castle logo because of some copyright issues, trademark issues with Armani. Alright, so if I open up the lid here, you get a pretty standard Swiss watch kind of packaging. You've got a lid, got this flap that opens here, and then you go on to the inner box. Again, you see the logo embossed on the top flap. Okay, these guys are really proud to say that the brand has existed since 1914. Existed since 1914. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, just take a look at this one here. It's the two-tone Vintage Combat Sub, and I tell you, this is really beautiful. Alright, so all the wrappers are still on, all the wraps and protective films are still on. So let's just zoom in a little bit closer to take a look at the dial. Really beautiful dial. It's a new layout. It's got numerals 3, 6, 9 to give you sort of a vintage vibes, and hence the name Combat Sub Vintage. And I really love the two-tone effect, the two-tone look. It's got a gold-plated bezel, gold-plated crown, and of course the center link of the bracelet is also gold-plated. Here you see the reference number GL0259. That's a new model that is introduced only earlier this year or late last year. I'm not too sure. It's one of their latest model from the Combat line. And I'll just remove the front protective film to let you take a closer look on the dial. Just look at the texture on that dial. Really lovely. Alright, when I go into a full review with better lighting, then you will really see great grains and texture on the black dial. It's really good looking. And let's just take a quick look at the end links. I believe they're solid. Yes, looks like they're solid end links. The watch overall has a brush finish. Even the gold plated parts, they are brushed. It's really lovely. I think earlier versions of the Combat models, they have a polished mid case, or the sides of the mid case, but this one here is fully brushed. Just absolutely beautiful. And for the first time, let's just check out the bezel action. I hope it is good. Okay, really good, crisp, solid, 60 click I believe. Yes, it is 60 click bezel. Really lovely action, very little play. I'm just really blown away by this watch. It's just beautiful. Alright, one more time we have a closer look at the Glycine GL0259. Let me just check the crown action. So unscrew, 2 clicks I believe, because it's got a date complication. So really nice, no wobble. Let's try to set time and check the alignment. Alright, everything is spot on. 12 o'clock is good, and there is no wobble or shaking of the hands. When I do a handset, everything is solid, feels really good. Let me just put it to the 10 o'clock position. Okay, oh, it actually hides the brand. So I think 9 o'clock is a better position for taking photos on this watch. Really beautiful. Case back is the standard. I think these are the Combat seals or something like that. The pretty standard engraving you get with other Combat models. Okay, I guess that's enough for the unboxing video. Stay tuned. Next few weeks I'm going to upload a full-length video of the review of the Glycine Combat Sub Vintage GL GL0259. Remember to tune in next week. I'll see you again. Bye bye.